I'm Gokula Krishnan. I'm the front office manager for GRT Chennai. How the domain is going to be the hospitality industry, how it's going to revolve. Let me take my group as an example, GRT Hotels and Resorts. We are at 22 hotels now, and our aim is to reach about close to 40 hotels in upcoming years, and it will be keep growing. So as I was telling everybody here that the hotels will grow rapidly, like our group is coming up with a lot more hotels. So the opportunities for all the students here is massive, I will say. So as I was telling in my speech with the MGR University also, that focus on yourself, and the infrastructure of this college gives you almost everything what I feel, because when I walk through kitchens, your pastry kitchens, your library, your computer equipment rooms and everything, I felt wow, it is equivalent to hotel which is available here. So I think all of the students whomever is studying here should make sure that you all put your efforts, coping up with all your lecturers to learn what they are teaching every single day, and more focus on your groomings. Follow some of the leading hotels, study from them, what is going on in the trend. I think that will make you all to grow much more better than what you are today. The hotels has revolved so much that even the chef comes to the table in the restaurant and address the guest and understand what he needs it. I think those days of hoteliering is I think it's faded. It is so important that your communication is a key when you are in hotel industry. So as you think that you are a chef, you're just studying here, it is not going to help you that if you don't have a great communication. Sir, I'm just going to only cook here, so why do I improve on my communication? It's not like that. There will be a day when you will go and meet the guest and understand what is required for you. Yes, everything else matters to you. So don't restrict yourself to study only if you're in one domain called kitchen, one domain called housekeeping, or one domain called front office. You must explore all the areas so that you grow better in your life.